Ka Southwest Khasi Hills District Badminton Association kan pelong biang ya ka lempung ile kai badminton ka blatip kum ka 6 Southwest Khasi Hills District Inter-School Badminton Championship arajap san. Uba HS Ding Do, President ka Southwest Khasi Hills District Badminton Association, haba ajin kran lethu bayakani ka lempung an pelong nadu ka pratereng hadu ka live hoterek unaitung arajap san ha maulang wer indoor stadium bat ka tarek ka bakhadu pan penpoy yagi form kan long ha ka praterek unaitung arajap san shushu lethu ru baki kerdan ile kai kilong ha ka under 12 years boys and girls kan dantang single under 14 years boys and girls single and doubles under 16 years boys and girls single and doubles under 18 years boys and girls single and doubles and mixed double kumta sasisian pan nakaliang ka Southwest Khasi Hills District Badminton Association ka khat ka we da baro ki school jong ka district bakin wan man shimbenta hakate ka limpung ile kai badminton
kalian jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills District Badminton Association ni sukmen sibun ba ni sayo pan penong biang ni 6th Inter-School Southwest Khasi Hills Inter-School Badminton Championship bat kitari kilom atu praterik atu laitrik balai putri Julai jurus namar perusan bat kajaka kan long baik ha manwil indoor stadium ngilale kani kenang ba nomor hakani itu yung atli di indoor stadium kawe yang berat betul de kenang ba kini yo bentalang bat kawe ka indoor stadium berada na rai ba mentak snem yang itu sebagai penong mahanihan manwil indoor stadium bat di kategoris dan di disiplin ki mengidan pun ka association kalomba ngidan ka under 12 boys and girls singles only nangta pade ngidan sa under 14 to boys and girls singles but doubles nangta ngidan ka under 16 years boys and girls singles but doubles nangta khado pade 18 years ngidan ka singles ka doubles but ka mixed doubles di kelas date pediang ya di entry jong di school baru kalau art library jong nai Julai jong 4%.